The phone comes with a 6.30-inch touchscreen display, HD+, and an aspect ratio of 20:9. Nokia C12 comes with 2 GB of RAM. The Nokia C12 runs Android 12 Go edition and is powered by a 3000 mAh removable battery. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Nokia C12 on the rear packs 8-megapixel camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 5-megapixel sensor. Nokia C12 is based on Android 12 Go edition and packs 64 GB of inbuilt storage. The Nokia C12 measures 160 by 74, 30 by 8.75 mm, height x width x thickness, and weighs 177.40 grams. It was launched in charcoal, dark cyan, and light mint colors. Connectivity options on the Nokia C12 include Wi-Fi 802.11b per gram, N, Bluetooth V5.20, and micro USB. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, and proximity sensor. The Nokia C12 supports face unlock.